In this video, we're going to talk about the E sound. We have long E sound, we have short E sound, and we have I sound. All right, but first I'm going to show you one set that you can recognize that if it is long E sound. We have words here, and this is the sign of long E sound. All right, now we have the word we, and then leaf, leaf, leave. It's long E. As you can see, you have two letters in one word, and you have the E there. You have to pronounce it long E sound. So we have to say we, we. As you can see, as you had observed this EA combination, that is a sign for long E sound. So EA is one of the signs that you can pronounce it as long E sound. But in every rule, there's an exception. På varje regel finns en undantag. We have here the word. This one is an exception to the rule because this one is short E sound. Bread, thread. These ones are exceptions to the rule. Another set for long E sound words are fee, meat, feet, sleep. As you've observed, we have double E. Try to remember that if you have double E, that's long E sound. Another set of words that have long E sounds are chief, peace, believe, field. As you have observed that we have I-E, I-E in your word, that sounds long E. So if you have the I and the E, so you have the long E sound. All right, the next set of words have long E sounds, and here they are. Receipt, either, ceiling. By the way, this one is silent P. That is silent P, receipt, receipt. Again, receipt. All right, so we have the either, ceiling. One more time, receipt, either, ceiling. All right, so that is long E sounds. As you observed that there's E-I, and E-I sounds long E. All right, again, there will be some exceptions to the rule. Finns undantag på varje regel. So for example, this word is eight, 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 eight. All right, so that is the exception to the rule. So now if you have this E and I, mostly of the E-I words pronounced as long E sound. Another set of words that have long E sounds are these: key, turkey, money, monkey, chimney. All right, if you can see, you have the E and Y in your words. E and Y at the end of your word, that sounds long E sound. Here are other sets of words that has long E sounds: happy, baby, empty, copy. As you can see, we have here Y at the end of your word. So if you can see the Y at the end of your word, it can be a long E sound. All right. But still we have our exception to the rule. Like for example, when we say this word, try, it sounds, this is the sound of this word, try. I, try. So this is the exception to the rule. Det är undantaget på den här regeln. Buy, it's the same. This is buy. Try, buy. It sounds I. Here are short e sound. 10, den, check. All right, aside from that, bread, thread, 10, den, check. And these words here are the exception to the rule. Okay?